Good morning and welcome back to Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I'm Moses. If you think gardening is winding down because summer is coming to an end shortly, think again. Now is the best time to plant for fall gardening. Today, we're going to be doing my second planting of fall crops. Now, the bed has already been prepared. I'll discuss how I did that. And I'll also discuss with you what we're going to be putting in this bed. Let's get started. Now, as I do with all my beds that we are going to be refurbishing, I removed all the tomatoes that were in this bed and we took them over to the burn pile. We added more soil, compost, manure, and a mixture of bone meal, blood meal, and tomato fertilizer into this bed. And the soil level is now back up to my liking, and we're going to go ahead and do our planting. Today, we are going to plant Georgia collards, rutabagas, cheddar cauliflower, Florida mustards, and we have enough for 12 plants in this area using the Garden in Minutes grid system. So let's get to it. So as you can see, we have our plants laid out the way that I want them. And now we're just going to go ahead and plant them into their new homes. And we're going to try to plant them at the cup level that they are now. Before we put them into their hole, we're going to add some fertilizer. And then after they are in their hole, we're going to go ahead and put some compost around them and then cover them up with mulch. So we have everything covered with mulch and compost, and we now have the water running on them, and we're going to give them a nice drink. Because these plants are just getting started, they're going to need constant moisture. The goal is to have them moist but not soggy. I'm also applying a little fertilizer, liquid fertilizer, in the water so that they get a jump start. As the temperatures begin to cool, watering needs will decrease, but I'll continue to check the soil moisture and see whether or not if they need to be watered. Well, that's a wrap for today. I would love to hear what you all are growing in the garden for fall. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got something out of it, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Take a moment to think about subscribing. Here on the homestead, we do gardening, we do cooking, and we do homesteading, along with a simple way of life. If this is intriguing to you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If you're interested in anything that I used in the video, you can head over to my Amazon storefront or my website. The links are in the description portion of the video. And until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.